pleural rub is the name given for pleuritic lung sounds that are heard on auscultation. This occurs when the pleural surfaces are inflamed and rubbed together, producing a grating sound like two pieces of sandpaper. Specific conditions that can cause pleural rubs include pneumonia, pulmonary embolism, rib fracture/trauma, tuberculosis, infections, and pleurisy.